Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today is going to be a new unboxing of the Creative Notions. Now this is a new company, been underway about a year, going on the second year I do believe. I saw this in another video that I watch and I just loved the fabrics and the things that came in the box. So I subscribed and now I'm going to let you see it. And this is what the box looks like. It is so cute. When it comes, it actually comes in a package, so it doesn't come by itself. The box doesn't get damaged. You can reuse it. Let me get it open here. The first thing we have on the top, it tells us the value of the box, and the value is over $35. It welcomes you to the subscription. They offer long arm quilting services as well as online shopping for fabric, notions, and more. You can sign up for the new newsletter for a discount code every month. This is what it looks like here. And then on the back of it, it tells you what is featured in this box. And then it gives you, I'll just flip it over here so you can see it. And so let me pull out the items in the box. So we have some thread for sewing and quilting. It's Superior Threads, and it is polyester, and it is pink. And then we have the fabric wrapped up real cute with a pair of scissors. Here's the fabric, and I'm going to take it out, but let me show you the scissors. So here's a little pair of scissor snips. Nobody has enough scissors, I tell you. Let me unwrap the fabric here. Oh my goodness, these colors are just wonderful. Here's the first one. Let me open it up here. And it is a metallic. So when it hits that light, it really looks nice. Go ahead and show you these others. And I believe this is called blush, if I'm not mistaken. Here is a striped. And here's larger circles. And then the part that is the metallic would be this one right here. It's a real nice floral. Hopefully you can see some of that flashing as I move it along here. I'm hoping you can. And then all of these dots reflect the light. These are so pretty. And these fabrics are so soft. And then the last one here. And then I'm going to pick them up. Let's see if I can pick them up here to show them to you. Alright, I think I can layer them like that. There we go. To give you an idea of the assortment here. Hopefully I won't drop them as I pick them up. There you go. That helped you see them all. And then she's got a little bag here. Let's get into this. So it's a couple of pieces of candy. Werther's Original, sugar-free. And then there is a charm, and it looks like, let's see if I can get it down here in the package. Oh, it's a teeny weeny little pair of scissors. Look at that. How adorable is that? They also make custom pins, charms, and more. And this is from penpeddlers.com. I don't know if that's on the top. Yes, Pen Peddlers up here at the top of it. You can see it. There you go. And it says here that each month you're going to receive a charm in your box. After 6 months, they're going to give a bracelet or a pin to attach all these charms to. And the charm is valued at $5.95. So I am very glad, and this bag is adorable. Look at the colors on that bag. Isn't that something? And of course you can put little notions in it. You can give it away if you want. But anyway, so I'm totally happy that I subscribed and saw this, because unless I see somebody else unboxing something, I miss most of them. But I just thought this was adorable, so I had to show you. I will probably make an actual blanket out of this. I'm undecided. I did buy, when I saw this unboxing, I went ahead and bought the entire fat quarter group, so I have these to add to that. So whatever I create with it, I will definitely show all of my viewers. Thank you very much for tuning in. You guys have a good day. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like, and until next time, bye-bye.